LawDepot NDA Templates app. The pros, the cons. If you need a non-disclosure agreement fast, the LawDepot NDA Templates app might be your secret weapon. Most people assume creating NDA requires a lawyer, but here's the surprising truth. With this app, you can generate legally sound agreements in minutes. The app provides step-by-step guidance for creating NDAs tailored to your specific situation. You can select whether the agreement is unilateral or mutual, define confidential information, and set terms for duration and obligations. LawDepot ensures that your document is compliant with US, state laws, giving peace of mind without the high cost of legal fees. One of the biggest pros is convenience. Users can generate, download, and share NDAs digitally, which is perfect for startups, freelancers, and small businesses. Templates are customizable, so you don't need to start from scratch, and the app provides explanations in plain language, making legal jargon easier to understand. However, there are cons. For complex business relationships or multi-jurisdictional agreements, the templates may not cover all legal nuances. Some users also note that premium features like attorney review or advanced clauses require additional fees. The app is best suited for straightforward agreements rather than high-risk or specialized contracts. In conclusion, the LawDepot NDA Templates app is a practical solution for quickly creating legally compliant non-disclosure agreements. It saves time, reduces costs, and makes the process accessible to almost anyone. While it's not a substitute for professional legal advice in complex cases, for everyday NDAs, it offers speed, simplicity, and reliability.